right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their 15-watt wireless fast charging bracket charger. So you can see it's wireless charger compatible with 5-watt, 7.5-watt, 10-watt, and 15-watt wireless charging. Kind of depends on what your device as well as your power brick supports. Looks like we have the black color. They also have a pink, green, and white. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on that side. And the back just kind of shows the picture, and the model number is the Y53. And that same info about fast charging bracket for iPhone, Android, etc. And it does say it's Type C, so that's good. Let's open this on up and see what we have here. Wow, that's really unique. So there's everything, and that's it for the box. So you get your wireless charging stand, which looks very nice. You got some rubber feet here on the bottom to keep it from sliding around, and then a nice, ooh, it feels fabricy. This feels like, if you've ever had a Google Nest, it feels basically like one of those. So it looks like your phone will fit on here. Now it shows the phone in either direction, and how that works, you're probably gonna wonder, but I'll show you that in a moment. And then your USB-C cable just plugs right into the back here. This is a little specifications sheet that's included, and your USB-C type cable, which looks to be maybe 2 feet, maybe 3 feet, just a short cable. I'm gonna take this right here and plug it in, and then plug it in here, and boom. Now we're ready to wirelessly charge with this device. The way that you can charge in either direction, of course, is, this is my Pixel 6 Pro. If I take it and set it this way, it starts charging. I can also take it and set it this way, and it starts charging. So this way would of course be handy if you're at work and you're watching something, that would be handy. But for the most part, I feel most people would probably set it like this, and then, you know, it's at their desk, they're doing the work, they get a text, they grab their phone and look at it, yada yada, reply to their text, and then put the phone back in its place. Very nice metal bracket though. Truly love the design here. And you know, this cable would be hidden and behind and out of your way, so you wouldn't even see it. Full functionality being 5 watts to 15 watts. So, you know, I'm at 65% here, and it says in an hour I'll be fully charged. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to show you guys an unboxing. That'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.